So how you can get the results with Clickbank affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products. So as you know, the first thing is you need to have a niche, evergreen, profitable niches. And a lots of affiliates, lots of gurus on Clickbank are selling you outdated methods, BS methods that used to work a few years ago, but it doesn't work anymore. That's why the most important thing you have to ask yourself is this: when it used to work. Because if it's outdated method, no matter how much money you throw on the ads, it will not work, it will not stick. So the most important thing is you need to have someone as a mentor who can show exactly how things are done. Because you see, selling to females and males is totally different. Also price scaling is different, inflection points are different, economics are different, upsell take rate is different. So you have to go deeper in the psychology of marketing to understand how things works. Now you don't have to do it yourself. Once you have someone who can help you step by step along the way, one-on-one, then you can get really great results, right? You won't learn this in courses for $200, $500. It doesn't work like that. If you really want to make 10,000 and install this method in 2024, $10,000 per month or $30,000 per month, like my students in my group, as I'm showing you, are making in net profit, then you have to understand you need to have the right marketing strategy. You have low emotional states, high emotional states, problem-aware audiences, unaware audiences, right? And you have to put them into the solution state. And this can be done through the Facebook ad copy, Google Ads copy, YouTube BSLs. So if you want to know more about it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment, and you can connect with me on my Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and email, okay? So all the links are in the description below. Let me know and we can make something happen.